Do you wonder how to change location on iOS? The first question you might have is why people need to change location. Well, with a fake location you can protect your privacy. Also, you can use fake location in many apps like GPS-based mobile games and social apps. In 2025, location tracking is a very serious issue, and literally every single app that you use tracks your location. So spoofing your location isn't a horrible idea, especially if you are dealing with a confidential project or need to access some sort of websites or a game without having your actual location be revealed. That's why PoGoSkill software was created. It's a location spoofing software and actually allows you to fake your location to absolutely anywhere in the world that you would like. You literally can do it at home from your device anytime you want. The software that I'm going to show you today is PoGoSkill, and now I'm going to show you how to download, install, and how to use this software. First, go to the official website of the software, which is PoGoSkill. And as you see, this is the software. PoGoSkill, it's one of the best free location changer for iPhone and Android. This software provides a new feature for Pokémon GO players, which is AutoCatcher. It allows you to catch rare Pokémons, no risk GPS spoofing in Pokémon GO, Monster Hunter now, no cracked games required, one click to change GPS location anywhere without moving, free solutions to fix Pokémon GO Error 12 and Monster Hunter now location signal issues, simulate GPS movement with a virtual joystick, works well with all location-based apps like Pokémon GO, Snapchat, Facebook, WhatsApp, and more. Effortlessly find nearby Pokémon, routes, and DMX raids. If you scroll down here, you can find more about the software and see its features and how to use it. The software offers you joystick modes. It allows for precise GPS movement control, teleport mode, two-spot mode, and multi-spot mode, and also joystick mode. As you see here, you can bypass geo-restrictions, hide your location on your iPhone, Android, change GPS location on dating apps, enjoy location-based games without moving, virtual location on social media apps, simulate GPS movement, and more. Here you can see the supported games and apps. As you can see, there are a lot of apps and games. You can use this software to fake your location in any of these apps. It's pretty simple and easy. Here you can find more features as you see. Okay, so now what you need to do is go ahead and download the software. As you see, the software supports both Windows and Mac OS. Since I'm using Mac OS, so I'm gonna download Mac OS version. Hit the download button. As you see, the software is now downloading. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it again. Once you've downloaded and installed the software, go ahead and open it. And as you can see, this is the software and this is the main interface. Okay, go ahead and click start. Now here you will need to connect your device. It supports both Android and iOS. If you have an iOS device, you can connect it via Wi-Fi as you see, but I recommend you to use USB cable for better connection. So I'm gonna connect my iPhone with USB, and as you see, my device is now connected via USB. So I will select it, hit next. Here select which mode you want to use. You can use game mode if you are playing games like Pokémon GO, Monster Hunter now, and other location-based games, and select general mode if you are using social media apps. It's suitable for most social apps and location-based apps. So in my case, I will select general mode, hit go. Now the software will show you your current location, and as you see, this is my current location. Now I'm going to use iOS screen sharing to show my iOS device on my Mac, and as you can see, this is my iPhone. Now I will use the software to change my location. So how to change the location? It's pretty simple and easy. So what you need to do is just select the location you want on the map. Okay, I will select this. Once you select the location you want, simply click start to modify, click continue. And boom, as you can see, my location has been changed. It's that simple. You can change your location to any place you want with this software. It's pretty simple and easy to use. So I will change my location again. So let's try this location. Just select the location you want, then click start to modify. As you can see, the location has been changed again. So it's pretty simple and easy to change your location with PoGoSkill software. At the top here, you can see and use the other features like two-spot mode, multi-spot mode, and the joystick feature. feature. These features makes it really easy to change your location the way you want. One of the features I like is the joystick feature. It's perfect for Pokemon GO players and other games like Monster Hunter now and all games that based on the GPS of your device. The multi-spot mode also has a great feature. With it you can select multiple locations on the map, then the GPS of your device will go across all the points you selected. So it will go from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. So guys, this is PoGoSkill software. It's a really good software to change your location to any place you want with ease. It's pretty simple and easy to use. The interface is very simple. The features is also really good, especially if you are playing Pokemon GO. You can use the new feature of this software, which is AutoCatcher, to catch Pokemons automatically and do other things. So guys, this is PoGoSkill software. You can change your location with one click, and also it has a solution to fix Pokemon GO Error 12 and Monster Hunter Now location signal issues and more. You can download it and try it for free from the download link below this video. So guys, make sure to click on the download link below this video to download the software and give it a try. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.